What's up, everybody? It's Jason from Roof Talk and Eustis Roofing, and we're back on the metal roof that we were here the other day with shingles, and we did a video for you guys to show you how clean it was, how we had marked vehicles on the job site. We don't subcontract, but now we're back here with the finished roof, and we want to show you guys what it looks like and why it's important to hire somebody who knows what they're doing when it comes to metal, and how beautiful everything looks. And how important it is to have skilled guys that know what they're doing, and it makes a world of difference. So one of the things that everybody runs into is the vents on the roof. Usually they put a rubber boot around it, but our guys are really skilled craftsmen, and we build our own system around it. You can see no screws. How awesome is that? So a screwless system as far as exposed screws. They're hidden fasteners, and even on your vents you don't see any. Sometimes on the pipe boots you'll have some on those because there's no way around it, but look behind me, and this roof right here is no screws on the entire roof. What goes bad on metal roofs is screws. So if you're going to get a metal roof system, either put a lifetime screw system, a 40-year system on it, or go with the standing seam system that has no screws in it that are exposed. What's cool about it is we did an awesome tie-in to this roof here. That's not our roof. It's an existing aluminum roof that we tied into, but we tied in down here with an SA cap sheet that we use on a lot of different roofs. And what that does is gets us a nice clean tie-in. And then we made a piece of metal down here, if you can see that. And that piece of metal that you see behind me runs all the way down the bottom. It's got a hook built into it, so the panel slides up, hooks in there, and you got one heck of a solid roof system. What's really cool about us is, like we always talk about, is culture, and how important culture is. Getting people to believe in what you're doing. I'm getting on a ladder, so give me a second. But getting people to believe what you're doing and really craft their skill and really believe in what they're doing also. Look how awesome that hip there is. It's incredible, awesome craftsmanship. Notice how there's no screws in it, guys. It's a screwless exposed system, so there's no screws exposed in it at all. It's crimped. There's a special way we do it, and it takes really cool people that can do this type of work. And then to top it off, the detail work here in your flashing is amazing work here. These guys are amazing, and we love it. This is what makes our job so fun, to be able to provide craftsmanship like this. I've been in the roofing business almost my entire life, and it's so rare to see such awesome work. So when you see it and you have people that believe in it, guys working for you that can do that, it's awesome. You can see the bottom here. They did a lot of work right here, and that's something that really they didn't have to do all that, because it's really part of another roof system that we didn't do. But they did. They took their time and made it awesome. You can see it in the background right there. We'll get another look at it. Awesome looking roof system. Really cool. Everything's built from Eustis Roofing Shop. We own the CNC machines that make the roof system. We own the machine that makes the panel system. And it just shows you how invested we are in what we do. We believe in our products, our equipment, and our people. And if you look behind me, you can see the finished roof and how awesome that looks. No exposed fasteners in that roof. So click the link below if you want a metal roof system from one of Central Florida's best contractors in the roofing industry with their own equipment.